Now, I'd like to go to the impact of page-based systems on user success. Okay, linear versus relational. When you have a page-based system and you want to add a new word or a new phrase, and you have 20 pictures on it, what do you do to get the new word or phrase to the system? Well, you add a new picture, is that correct? Or you change the meaning of another picture, which I guess is kind of dicey, but you add a new picture. In a Minspeak system, everything is relational. When you want to add a new word, what do? You add a new relationship between and among the pictures. What's a very common word for bigness now? A very expressive word.
Humongous.
Humongous. We'll take that one. So, okay, we got humongous. Let's work on humongous. You all have your, I'll be doing 84 or 144. Let's go to our 144 overlay. And for big, what do? Elephant and adjectives. We did big, bigger, biggest. And then for strong, what did we do? Elephant, thumbs up, adjective. Is that correct? When we hit elephant, what does this show us? This shows us all the different, do you see what I mean? It shows you all the different icons that are open here. So humongous. Ah.
More big.
What?
More big.
Well, humongous is a very colorful word. I would go for the lightning bolt.
Oh, okay.
It's humongous.
Where's the lightning bolt?
Rainbow?
Okay. Now, rainbow is already taken. You can see that it's illuminated. It's when it's not lit up. That means that there's no sequence starting with elephant. You know, is there? So we could pick that for humongous. Okay. And then it would be elephant, volt or bold, lightning bolt, and then adjective. So what did we do when we wanted to add a new word? We added a new relationship. We did not add a new picture. This is the crux of the power of this system. It's its wellspring. Okay, now we've added humongous, and Jan suggested gigantic. Which one might we know? A lightning bolt is already gone. Geez, the rainbow is already gone. The mountain is already gone. If we'd have wanted, we were doing a page-based system, and we had a bunch of adjectives, and we wanted to add humongous and gigantic, we'd have picked a new picture, wouldn't we? You understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
With Minspeak, we do what? Add a new relationship. Okay, there it is. To add 20 new words means adding 20 new pictures. Adding 20 new words means 20 new relationships. Because, as you notice, we had a choice of almost, after the first icon, we had a choice of most of the board. There were more than 60 icons available to us. So it's not hard to do. And if it becomes a joke, you make it a joke. if you want to bring in just take a photograph out of clip art, or of the the Challenger, or and you make a big joke of it. Look, it's gigantic. Bill, tell me what it is. Elephant. You take his hand and look. See it? And then adjective. You model that. You model it a couple of times. Okay. When we want to spell a new word, do we add any new letters? No, we don't. We just add a new relationship. Well, the selection set is essentially a closed system. And there's where it's powerful. Because if you have one picture, one meaning, 25 pictures equals 25 meanings. One picture, multiple meanings in context. 25 pictures, 2 hits, 2 selections, 625 meanings. 3 hits, 15,000 meanings. 3 hits with 50 pictures is 125,000. 20% we find of those sequences, it's our experience, will have some easy meaning. And so that means you have 25,000, relationships that will work in general. One picture, one meaning gives you narrow coding space. One picture, 25 meanings gives you what? Broad coding space. But when you want to add new words, feel free to add new words. Okay, but don't make the new words be the whole show. Because remember, those core words are the ones you want to hammer in, the person needs to use every day in every environment. Okay. Now, that gives us a single page. By the way, I want you to realize that this is kind of the mathematical motor of the system.